Hey there everyone, I am Karen with a Walsh of Karen's Pots and Glass, and this video has been a few months behind in putting it together, and I apologize for being so late on this, but this is for when I received my silver play button from YouTube with my 100,000 subscribers. So it was a pretty big milestone for me and I was super excited about it. It actually came over Thanksgiving weekend and I'm just now getting around to getting the video together. So it's been a crazy year at school. This has been my big final year of teaching. I am retiring at the end of this year, but not to worry. I'm gonna keep on making videos, maybe a few less geared directly towards classroom projects and just more geared towards helping people on their pottery journey and learning about clay. I also have a secondary channel that I am starting and I will link it here. So if you look like up above, I will be linking it here. So if you're interested in following me on a second channel, this one will not be for in the classroom, and that is going to be The Tipsy Potter, where I was waiting till I retired before I started it. So thanks to all my subscribers, thanks to the viewers out there who made this silver play button possible, and keep following me on my journey, and I'll keep supporting you along the way. It was a very exciting anticipation of receiving this because I received notification that I had reached the 100,000 subscriber mark, put my order in, and received my tracking of when the UPS person was coming to deliver it. And it was very exciting. It came. My silver play button came. I'm so excited. Let's unbox it and see what it looks like. All right, here we go. It's a little box. Oh, gotta do the tape back here. So this is the day after Thanksgiving, and my play button has arrived, and what's really fun is my family is with me. So this is really cool. All right, I've got my letter. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, your 1000th? Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? So, yay! All right, here it is. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. I'm so excited. There we go. Presented to Karen's Pots and Glass for passing 100,000 subscribers. Oh, it got me in the reflection. Yay, thank you. Oh, fun. And thanks everyone for coming on this journey with me. This has been just a real blast to be making these videos and to reach this milestone. It still blows me away that what started as an opportunity to make some tutorial videos for my students at school has turned into a channel so much bigger than my wildest dreams. So thanks for coming along the journey with me.